Light can highlight specific parts of a scene or completely change its context. Similarly, the background environment can make your scene feel empty or full of life. In this video, we'll be going over light objects, environment lights, and background. In Bezi, there are several light objects. Point lights emit light in all directions from a single point. They're efficient, and we recommend that you use them in projects that require optimization for lower powered devices. Area lights offer a softer, more diffuse light, mimicking the effect of natural light coming through a window. These lights tend to be quite heavy in terms of system resources. Spotlights project a focused beam of light onto a specific area. This is ideal for highlighting specific parts of an experience or creating dramatic effects. Directional lights simulate sunlight by casting parallel light rays across the entire scene. It's the only light type that casts shadows on all objects on your scene. Casting shadows can be controlled by turning off shadows for your entire scene in the directional light's properties, or on a per object basis by selecting an object and deselecting if an object should cast or receive shadows. Each light object affects a scene in its own way and can be fine-tuned in the properties panel while selected. Many of these lights have the same features, such as changing the brightness or color. Moving on to the environment lights, we have two of them in Bezi. The first is an environment light, which enhances objects within a scene by reflecting a 360-degree image onto objects. How much of the environment light gets reflected onto an object depends on its material property and the light's intensity. By default, afternoon light is selected. You can change it by selecting from a library of pre-built environments provided by us or by uploading your own image. Ambient lights are similar to environment light, but is used in addition to further enhance the scene. It is used to increase the overall brightness of the scene or to adjust the mood by changing the color of the ambient light. Once you have your objects and lighting set, one of the most effective ways to make them stand out is by deciding what kind of background they will be placed in. By default, there is no background. It is visually represented as a dark gray background in Bezi, but if your object was played on an augmented reality device such as mobile AR, MetaQuest, or Vision Pro, they will appear within your environment. If you want to immerse your viewer in a curated environment, you can do so by selecting the background selection. You can choose a flat color or select environment to use the image that was used in environment light as your project's background. Whether you're designing AR applications or 3D scenes, lighting your scene and setting its background are key tools for creating compelling and cohesive visual experiences. Now that you have a solid understanding of lighting, there's more yet to come in the Bezi 101 series. See you in the next video!